G'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name's Cal and I make videos about frequent flyer points and premium travel. If that's something you're interested in, hit that like and subscribe button. Let's go. One of the more common questions I get from viewers on this channel is about travel cards. Once you've spent all your points and you're about to head off on your trip, you don't want to be slugged 3 to 5% on every purchase from your hotel to a Peroni in Rome, not to mention the cost of withdrawing cash. As usual, I must mention I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice, it's just my own thoughts, and you should be doing your own research to make the right choice for you. I'm going to take a quick look into 3 different cards. 2 of them are credit cards and 1 of them is a prepaid debit. With the credit cards, there's 2 options. One that earns rewards points but costs a very small annual fee, and one that's completely fee-free but has no rewards. My pick for the rewards card is actually the Coles Rewards MasterCard. With 50,000 Flybuys points on sign up and 2 Flybuys points per dollar, it only costs an annual fee of $99. It's actually one of the only 0% international fee cards that earns rewards points. A reminder that Flybuys points can be converted to velocity points at half rate, so think of it as a velocity card that earns 25,000 bonus points and 1 point per dollar. An even bigger reminder to everyone not to waste their points on Flybuys, Velocity or Qantas rewards stores on things like coffee machines. Click up here to watch this video to see what I mean. It's worth noting that although it has a 0% currency conversion, so you won't pay fees on card transactions, it charges a flat $5 Australian and 2.5% of the transaction on cash withdrawals overseas. So you would be better off using this card just for transactions and taking the cash over with you. Now for the non-rewards credit card option, my pick is the Bankwest Zero Platinum card. With 0% foreign transaction fees, $0 overseas ATM withdrawal fees, and a 2% or $4 cash advance fee in Australia and internationally, it's pretty good value. While it has a great purchase interest rate of 15%, it does have a cash advance of nearly 22%, so it's a good reminder not to carry a balance and not to withdraw cash off the card. A bonus with this card is that it also includes complimentary travel insurance through Covermore, which includes medical, luggage, and personal goods. For the debit card, I actually think the Qantas Money Travel prepaid card is your best option. Not only do you receive 1.5 Qantas points for every dollar you spend in foreign currency, you still pay no account or annual fees, no conversion fees, and no ATM withdrawal fees in Australia, although there is a $1.95 fee for withdrawals elsewhere. This card allows you to convert the currency before you travel if you find the exchange rate is good or expect it to be worse by the time you travel. These cards are especially great if you have a lump sum of money saved for your holiday already. You're able to transfer that money across to the card before the trip and separate it into any of the 11 currencies you may need on the trip, then see it all in the handy Qantas Money app. It even includes PayPass, so you can tap your card to pay for your Aperol in Amalfi. If you found this information useful and would like to learn more, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below about where you would want to use your points to travel to. That's all for now, good luck on your points journey, and don't forget you can contact me at any time at pointysecrets@gmail.com for any questions, or to organise a strategy meeting to maximise your points and plan the holiday of your dreams. See you at the pointy end.